In last class we have learned about the plane shapes. So today let us move forward towards the solid shapes. In today's class we will learn 5 solid shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Which 5 shapes we are going to learn? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. See, look at the figure. Which shape it is? This is a square. It is a flat shape. Which type of shape it is? Flat. It has no thickness. Can you find your thickness? No. Plane shape have no thickness. Now, what is this? This is a cube. What is this? This is a cube. It is not flat. ये flat नहीं है. So which type of shape it is? Solid shape. Shapes which are not flat are known as solid shapes. So first shape we will learn today, it's a cube. What is this? It's a cube. Look at here. How many faces does cube have? 6 faces. How many faces? 6. Which way 6 faces? See, 1. This is one face. 2, 3, then on this side this is 4th face, on back side of this 5 and here at the bottom 6th face. How many faces are there? Cube has 6 faces. Now corner, see, there are 8 corners. How many corners are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners are there? 8 corners and it has 12 edges. How many edges? 12. Look at here. This is known as edges. What is this? Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here 9, 10, 11 and here 12. So how many edges are there? 12 edge. So it's known as a cube. Again, cube has how many corners? Cube has 8 corners. How many edges are there? It has 12 straight edges. Which type of edges? 12 straight edges. And it has 6 square faces. Which type of square faces it has? 6 square faces. All of you understood, beta? Are you able to understand? Yes, this is a cube. Dice is a cube shape. Now next is a cuboid. See, what is this? Cupboard. Cupboard has which shape? It has cuboid shape. See here. Here also it has 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here in the bottom 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 corners. And it has 6 faces. How many faces are there? 6 faces and again 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. Next is cone. See, it has one flat face and one curved face. This is a cone. Which shape it is? Cone shape. Which shape is this? Cone shape. This is a flat face. Which face is this? Flat face, and this face is known as curved face. Which type of face? Curved face. It has only one corner. How many corner it has? Only one corner. And that corner is known as a vertex. What is known as? This corner is known as a vertex. It has only one edge. How many edge? Only one edge. Then next is cylinder. Which shape it is? Cylinder. See, this is a tin. Shape of a tin is a cylinder shape. Here it has 2 flat face. This is known as flat face. 1 and 2. 2 flat face and 1 curved face. 2 flat face, 1 curved face. And how many edges? 2. See, 1, 2. 2 edges. Yes, all of you are able to understand? Yes. Which 4 solid shapes we have learned? cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. Now come to next page. Yes, and the last solid shape is sphere. Which shape is this? Sphere. How many curved faces are there? Look at here. Only one curved face. It has no flat face, no edges and no corner. What is the shape of a ball? Shape of a ball is sphere shape. Which shape it is? Sphere shape. So in last class we have learned 7 plane shapes. Yes or no? Yes. And in this class what we have learned? We have learned 5 solid shape. Which 5 solid shape? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Again, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. All of you have to learn 7 plane shapes and 5 solid shapes. Now come to exercise number 2 on page 135. What you have to do here? Here you have to identify the solid shape and then you have to write the name of a solid shape. See number A. Which shape it is? Cylinder shape. See here. 2 flat faces are there. 1 curved face is there. Yes or no? Yes. So which shape is this? Cylinder. Write with me. CYLINDER. Cylinder. Next, number B. Which shape is this? Sphere. Very good. SPHERE. Sphere. Next one. What is this? Which shape it is? Cuboid. Very good. Write with me. Cuboid. Next. Which picture is this? This is a dice. And what is the shape of a dice? Cube. 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 Number E. Which shape is this? This is a tin. And shape of a tin is cylinder. Write here with me. Next, what is this? Which shape it is? Cuboid. Next, what is this? Which picture it is? Birthday cap. And what is the shape of it? Cone shape. CONE. Cone. Next one. Which shape it is? Sphere. So write here sphere. 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 Next is bell. What is the shape of a bell? Cone shape. Which shape it is? Cone shape. So write here cone. 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 Completed till here? Yes or no? Yes. So turn the page. Take next page. Now we have to learn straight and curved lines. What we have to learn? Straight line and curved lines. But here you can do it with a activity. See what you have to do? You have to take a skipping rope. What you have to take? You have to take a skipping rope and then you have to hold it from both the ends and then you have to stretch it. See here, picture is there. Yes, like this. What you have to do? You have to stretch the rope. So, what you can see? Which type of line it is? It is a straight line. Which type of line it is? Straight line. Now, loose the rope. So, which type of line it have become? Curved line. Which type of line? Curved line. Look at here. This is also a curved line. Now, see. Raise one end of the rope. What you have to do? You have to raise one end of the rope. Then, which type of line it will become? It's a straight line, but it's also a slanting line. Which type of line it is? Slanting line. See, we have learned three lines. Straight lines, then curved lines and slanting line. Understood? Yes. Now, difference between vertical line and horizontal line. See, a straight line from left to right. This type of slipping line. In smaller class we were learning slipping lines. Yes, so a line from left side to right side. It's known as horizontal line. Straight line from left to right. It's a horizontal line. And straight line from top to bottom. This type of straight line from top to bottom is known as vertical line. What is this? Vertical line. Again, line from left to right is known as horizontal line and line from top to bottom is known as vertical line. So what we have learned is how many types of lines? Straight line, curved line, then slanting line, horizontal line and vertical line. And else what we have learned? 7 solid shapes. Which were there? Cube, cuboid, then cone, cylinder and sphere. So what you have to do? You have to revise plane shape, solid shapes and lines. Okay? We will continue the chapter in our next video class. Bye. Take care.